Hello everyone, listen to this noise. That noise, I'll show you what it is. So the noise was coming from the back, and what's happened is it's the wear indicator scratching on the discs. So the pads there are totally worn out, and that's what that squeaking noise is to tell you that the the pads are totally gone and you need to change them. Sometimes the only other time it would be like this is if you haven't driven the car a long time and the discs are a bit rusty and you get that noise. If that's the case, then all you do is just drive the car around for a little bit, for about 10-15 minutes, and press the brake a few times. Sometimes what I do is, if you've got a manual handbrake like this one, I normally just put the handbrake up for a little bit and just drive it down, and then that should clear it. And if you don't want to do that, just drive it and press the brake a few times and it cleans the discs and you should have the squeak go away. But in my instance, it's the wear indicators on the brake pads on the back, and if I change those, that'll get that fixed right and rain. Hope that helped everyone. See you on the next one. Bye bye.